Okay, lesson 58. We're going to start off by just revisiting what numerical coefficients are. They're the numbers that are in front of each term. So in this case, it's a 4. This is an understood 1. That has an understood 1 in front of it, but it's negative 1 because there's a subtraction sign. And so that would be negative 11 also. So right here, it would just be the 5. And we have to be able to identify that when we use this process of completing the square. Now you know that the first thing we need to do is to put the x terms on one side by themselves. So if you take this 10x and move it over and bring the 1 to the other side, then you end up with that. Now I've divided by 4 because I want my x squared to be positive. I'm sorry, positive 1x squared. Now, I moved it from here to here, and I changed just the sides that I wrote them on. It's just the more traditional look. And then we take, remember, the numerical coefficient, just like we were talking about it there, of the x to the first term, multiply it by half. Whatever you get, you square that. And the answer to that, you're going to add to both sides. Now, the number that you had before you squared it is the one that goes in the parenthesis with the x. And then it's squared on the outside. Get a common denominator, which is going to be 16, and add those up, and you get 29 over 16. Then you take the square root of both sides. So this becomes x minus 5 over 4. This is plus or minus the square root of 29 over the square root of 16, which is 4. Then you're going to take this to the other side. It'll become positive. This is the same problem. It's just got the multiple choice answers. I wanted to leave you room to do it and then to look, and you can see that this is the correct answer there. So hopefully that's helpful.